Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell Competitors. Protects and maximizes your Google Ads ROI. ClickGUARD effectively protects and maximizes your Google Ads ROI, allowing you to concentrate on the quality and profitability of your business rather than dealing with abusive, disruptive, fraudulent, and wasted clicks. Top-rated Google Ads click fraud prevention. In 2021, click fraud will waste 20% of PPC marketers' budgets. Competitors and bots can waste your advertising cash by clicking on your adverts. The ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will reject false clicks and eliminate invalid IP. This will increase the effectiveness of your efforts and allow you to gain more customers. What happens when you start using TrafficGuard? Sophisticated anti-fraud technology ensures that your advertising generates genuine advertising engagement. You save time. Your ROAS increases. You protect ad spend. Dominate your digital marketing with Clixtell. We monitor each and every visit to your website, detect click fraud, and secure your PPC budget by blocking any attempt to attack your Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns. With Clixtell, you can immediately and automatically prevent from attackers seeing your ads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.